This is your Wednesday writing activity, and we're going to use our knowledge of adjectives to describe the grandma. So your title is Grandma Is. There it is, Grandma Is. And here is a picture of Grandma, but I want you to get your scrapbook out and you write the title Grandma Is, and you can either paste a picture, maybe ask Mum or Dad to print one of your grandma, or you can draw a picture of your grandma and something nice that you remember doing with her. And then I want you to write in this space here 3 adjectives that describe your grandma, and down the bottom here 3 more adjectives that describe your grandma. Now remember, an adjective is a describing word. So you could have something like, is your grandma funny? Is your grandma, I'm just trying to get it so that there we go. Is she tall? Is she happy? So just 3 adjectives that describe your grandma there. Then you either paste a picture or you draw your grandma, and then underneath 3 more adjectives. I'm just trying to get the cursor to go back. There you go. 3 more adjectives. So it's a word that will tell somebody what your grandma is like. You can either describe her physically or describe her character. So we've got 3 words. Is funny, tall, happy, or is she clever? Because grandmas know lots and lots of things. Is she clever? Is she kind? And is she loving, maybe? So at least 6. If you've got more than 6, fantastic. I'm just going to make sure it looks good. Now, can you copy my adjectives? You can have 2 of them. Okay, so you choose 2 of these words that you think describe your grandma, and then you have to find at least 4 more. All right, and then you upload that to Seesaw. So I know in the planner it says you're going to describe the grandma in the book, but I think we're better off to describe our own grandma. If you do not have a grandma, maybe you can think of another special person in your life, like an aunt or a cousin, someone that you spend time with, okay? And I know we haven't spent time with the people that we really would like to, but let's try and remember them by our adjectives. Let's see how you go. All right.